Hi, I'm Anastasia from Nektony, the team behind Mac maintenance utilities. Today we are putting two popular Mac cleaners head-to-head, CleanMyMac X and MacCleaner Pro, to see how they differ in freeing up storage space and which one might work better for you. CleanMyMac X, developed by MacPo, is one of the most well-known Mac cleaning apps. It features a modern interface with a sidebar layout where you can remove system junk, scan for malware, optimize performance, uninstall or update apps, and clean cloud storage. One of its key features is Smart Care, which runs several system checks at once and suggests actions to help improve your Mac's performance. But be aware that even after the scan is complete, you still need to run each cleanup action separately. CleanMyMac also includes tools to find large and old files that consume valuable storage space. It can uninstall apps along with their leftover files and free up RAM used by resource-heavy processes. The app also includes a malware scanner, which adds an extra layer of protection for your system. CleanMyMac X starts at $40.20 per year or $119.95 for a one-time purchase. Here is the thing, the 7-day trial requires you to enter your email and payment details upfront. So, what are the main takeaways? The biggest advantage is usability. It pulls everything into a single dashboard. It has an intuitive, beginner-friendly interface that includes extras like malware scanning and cloud storage cleanup. The downside is mostly related to the cost and performance. The yearly plan is comparable to MacCleaner Pro, but if you are thinking long-term, the one-time purchase is noticeably more expensive. Also, running a full Smart Care can be heavier on your system compared to using more dedicated tools. Now, let's take a look at how MacCleaner Pro, developed by Nektony, works differently. Instead of a single app, MacCleaner Pro is a bundle of specialized utilities designed to handle specific tasks. When you launch MacCleaner Pro, it automatically analyzes your disk space and gives a clear overview of what's taking up storage. You can use the fast cleanup mode for a quick clean of caches, logs, and system junk, or use the dedicated Clean Up and Speed Up sections for more control. One of its tools is Disk Space Analyzer, which displays files and folders in a visual sunburst diagram, making it easy to identify large items. The suite also includes Duplicate File Finder, which detects duplicate files and similar media files and allows you to merge folders to help recover storage space. Another useful tool is App Cleaner and Uninstaller, which removes apps along with all associated files. In this tool, you can also update apps and manage startup programs. What's more, MacCleaner Pro has two helper tools to manage hidden files and automatically free up RAM. The bundle costs $39.95 per year or $85.95 for a lifetime license, but you can use it for 2 days free of charge with no payment details required. With MacCleaner Pro, the overload approach is different. The main advantage is that you get a full set of specialized tools, each designed to do one job well. Because of this, focused approach scans are fast and system impact stays relatively low. Pricing is another strong point. The yearly plan is similar to CleanMyMac, but the one-time purchase is significantly more affordable. The main downside is that you are working with multiple apps instead of a single interface, but that's for a deeper cleanup. The core differences comes down to this. CleanMyMac is a single app that handles many tasks, while MacCleaner Pro is a set of tools, each designed to perform specific tasks well. If you look beyond the basics, MacCleaner Pro covers more advanced use cases, including deeper duplicate scanning, file organization with merge feature, hidden file access. CleanMyMac is a better choice if you want everything in one place. MacCleaner Pro is a better fit if you want more control, more advanced tools, and better long-term value. I hope this comparison helped you understand the differences. Thanks for watching.